Hey everyone, today we're embarking on a fascinating journey to explore how astronauts grow plants in space. Let's dive right in. How do astronauts grow plants in space? Astronauts use a special device called Veggie to grow plants in space. Veggie creates an artificial environment where plants can grow and thrive under zero gravity conditions. Why is growing plants in space important? In our daily lives, many of the foods we eat come from plants. We all know how crucial plants are for our survival on the blue planet. But what about the few people living in space? Even for a short period. We know they bring many food packets to meet their daily energy needs. But is it possible for them to grow their own food in space? Yes, plants can grow in space. Yes, plants can indeed grow and thrive in space. In fact, astronauts on the International Space Station, ES, ate the first space-grown salad, red romaine lettuce, on August 10th, 2015. And yes, they liked it. Challenges of growing plants in space. Even in a well-controlled environment like the ISS, growing plants in space is no easy task. On Earth, growing edible and nutritious plants is already challenging. So imagine how difficult it must be to cultivate greens in microgravity, with highly controlled soil, moisture, light, and gas conditions. In a way, plants adapt to their environment just like humans do. Roots grow and spread downward due to gravity. But in space, where gravity's effect is negligible, roots grow in all directions. Nutrients and water float everywhere. Can you imagine a plant in space with roots extending in every direction, surrounded by floating water and nutrients? Veggie, the garden room on the ISS NASA astronauts Rick Mastracchio and Steve Swanson set up a special container called Veggie on the ISS a few years ago for space gardening. Veggie creates a suitable artificial environment where plants can grow under zero gravity conditions. It contains plant pillows filled with controlled release fertilizer and soil. These pillows have small wicks that absorb water, with seeds glued to the wicks and aligned, so roots grow in one direction, downward, and extend out from the pillow. LED lights shine on the plants to ensure proper growth, upward, and provide light for photosynthesis, the process by which plants prepare their food. Growing plants in space is an exciting and challenging research area for both astronauts and US. Projects like these are vital for our survival on long-duration space missions, such as those to Mars and beyond. I hope this video has shown you how fascinating and challenging it is to grow plants in space. Until next time, take care. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Share your thoughts and questions in the comments, and we'll be sure to respond. Thanks for watching.